Okay, let's talk about mental brilliance and the neuroscience behind mental brilliance. Now, mental brilliance, this is a term that can really be used to describe your cognitive, your emotional, and your social development. So when we look at the neuroscience behind mental brilliance, it really lies in that complex networks of neurons and nodes and neurotransmitters and hormones and different chemicals. And they're all working together to play a really crucial role in how you're functioning, whether you're functioning properly, and whether your brain is functioning properly. So we've got these neurotransmitters like dopamine, like serotonin. They help regulate your mood, your emotion, while there's also other things like cortisol, which is helping you regulate your stress levels. So these are all happening, and what they're really trying to do is they're trying to balance each other out. That's really what our body does. It just tries to balance ourselves out as we go along. So the key to great mental brilliance is being able to have a healthy balance of all of these substances so that we can actually maintain an ongoing and a sustainable mental well-being. Now, the brain, when we talk about mental brilliance, it also relies on different neurons to transmit information throughout the body, right? So we've got these synaptic connections where something fires and it connects with something else, and that allows us to process information really quickly and also really accurately. So if we've got a hormonal imbalance, that's going to cause problems. We need a hormonal balance to be able to have everything functioning properly. And that's going to give us those endorphins that help us not only to focus, but also to increase our energy levels, right? So let's look at this as one big package. How does this affect our lifestyle, our life, what we want to achieve? Well, if we're high in mental brilliance, we're going to have a big impact on our actual performance, right? So while exercise has been shown to increase memory, concentration, creativity, other things like sleep, it gives our mind time to rest, to process, to make more new connections, and to be a little bit more effective. So there's a lot of different parts that play into mental brilliance, but the overall thing that we really need to know is we need balance. We need a little bit of everything to all work together to actually allow us to be at our mental best.